We have a critical role to make sure that our country's interest in terms of safety and quality is being protected. We are promoting basically our local products, local services, as well as international services for global presence. Under SIRIM QAS, we have testing, we have inspection and certification. For the testing, we have 7 labs, and we offer hundreds of testing to our customers. We are doing a lot of inspection jobs for our stakeholders. And for certification, we have close to probably hundreds of different schemes. Currently, we are getting more application for certification from Thailand. This is Thailand manufacturers. They are applying for automotive industries. We offer IATF certification scheme, whereby, as I mentioned just now, similar to China, this certification is accepted globally. We offer something for the world, basically. It's not only meant for Malaysian market. And we also have clients in Vietnam. In Vietnam, basically, we are offering what we call product certification on packaging for UN marking for dangerous goods. The first one will be SIRIM Washeng. That's our first international ventures. And of course, going to China, there are some challenges that we have to face, but that will make us stronger. Using China benchmark, for us to establish another subsidiaries in different countries will be much easier. When we go to China, the main reason is we want to offer our international scheme. The first one will be IATF just now, as I mentioned. And then after that, we plan to embark on aerospace certification. This 2 certification is actually our existing offering. We offer those certification in Malaysia. We have been approved to offer that services in Malaysia. So we bring this certification to China. So it's much easier to offer the international scheme because that is part of the demand from Chinese market. When we start to work with China and working with this ITF certification in China, where their industry is very big, it gives us all the necessary strategies and ideas that with this China ventures, it's become really stepping stone for us to expand to the other area using the same mechanism. That's why we established ITF, because ITF certification scheme is for the global automotive market. Wherever you are, you manufacture in Malaysia, you manufacture in India, China, you have to comply with this certification. And then we have that UN marking, where the certification accepted globally. Aerospace is established by Boeing and Airbus, basically, for all their supply chain to comply with all the requirements. And then we have IEC-EX. This is for explosive components, for oil and gas especially. As you are aware, kita punya Putra High incident, IEC-EX certification scheme, where some of our clients will be in the Middle East. That's where oil and gas is basically located. And of course, if we have sufficient clients, we are moving towards Middle East to establish our presence. I think that one is a bit long term because we have to see in terms of the progress of this ICX, because ICX is just 2-3 years certification that we have obtained. So we have to establish our presence around this region. And for your information, for IECX, SIRIM is the only body who offer these services around Asia Pacific. Application will be in Malaysia as well as around this region. Our target is not our Malaysian clients. Our target is actually around the region. SIRIM QAS is part of global association, what we call IQNet. IQNet is a global association where we collaborate among the certification body around the world. There are 36 bodies around the world who join this association, and we are basically accepting each other's certification. For all SIRIM personnel in Malaysia, we have been inculcate the mission whereby we are the guardian of safety and quality for Malaysia. On top of that, we are the vehicle for local industry as well as international clients to go for global services.